Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can set up your AdSense account on YouTube. So by the end of this video you're going to be able to set up your AdSense account on YouTube to get paid on it as well. If you are earning money on YouTube or you are claiming a short bonus, you need to associate an approved AdSense account to earn money and get paid. Creating an AdSense account and linking it to your channel is a crucial step towards getting paid on YouTube. Note that if you're already in the YouTube Partner Program, you can change your linked AdSense account if you need to. You can also monetize more than one YouTube channel using the same AdSense account. You can sign into the YouTube Studio and in the left menu, click the Earn tab. Click Start on the sign up for Google AdSense card. When you're asked to, enter your YouTube account password and re-authenticate when required. Choose which Google account you would like to use for AdSense. And if you already use AdSense for other reasons outside of YouTube, sign in with a Google account used with your existing AdSense account. You're now in AdSense. Once here, verify that the email address is correct at the top of the page. If it's the wrong one, click Use a different account to switch accounts. Continue setting up your account. Provide your contact info and submit your AdSense account applications. After the above steps, you'll be taken back to YouTube Studio where you see a message verifying the receipt of your AdSense account applications. AdSense will inform you of your email once your account has been approved, which can take up to several days. Once approved, you'll see confirmation within YouTube Studio in the Sign Up for Google AdSense card that your AdSense account is approved and active. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.